Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, we continue with the Ekeremadu incident with the IPOB members in Germany. And guys, of course, you know Fani-Kayode is never backwards in coming forwards with an opinion on everything. So he has an opinion on this as well. So with that guys, I bring you this. Fani-Kayode reacts to suspected IPOB members incident with Ekeremadu in Germany. So that's the headline. Fani-Kayode reacts to suspected IPOB members incident with Ekeremadu in Germany. So now let's hear what Femi has to say. Fani-Kayode, a former aviation minister, has reacted to that incident that befell Deputy Senate President, that should be former Deputy Senate President, Senator Ekeremadu in Germany on Saturday. It was reported that Ekeremadu was on Saturday embarrassed by suspected members of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. The incident is believed to have taken place in Nuremberg, Germany. Ekeremadu was dragged around and pelted with different objects around the venue of the event. The lawmaker was later whisked away in a car after several attempts to stop him from escaping. In the video, one of the members of the IPOB that at the incident was heard to be saying, "Imagine, people are dying on a daily basis and people are wailing on a daily basis, and we're here enjoying." Reacting, Fani-Kayode, who took to his Twitter page, described the incident as an eye-opener to every southern leader. According to him, what happened to my friend and brother, Senator Ekeremadu, in Nuremberg, Germany, at the hands of IPOB is an eye-opener and a clear signal to every political leader in southern Nigeria. The people of the South are getting angry, and you either stand up and defend them or stand aside. So now this is Femi's contribution. There are no surprises there. We already know what Femi's narrative is, but he's of course lending his voice to the IPOB members who set upon this chap, this Ekeremadu chap. I don't really know his politics too much, so I don't know where I should weigh in terms of my bias in this particular narrative, but nonetheless, this is what happened, and this is what Femi has said. So Femi is now lending his voice to the IPOB members, but then of course we know that Femi has a special relationship with the Igbo race, to the point that he's actually married into the Igbo race, and his children are half Igbo, so he is really, to all intents and purposes, partly an Igbo man as well. He will tell you, of course, that he's from Ife, which is of course the spiritual hub of the Yoruba race, but nonetheless is a pan-Nigerianist, and his empathy is with anybody that is downtrodden and is off the view. At least this is according to all of his public pronouncements, that the Igbos especially are particularly downtrodden, and is lending his voice to that. So no surprises to hear what Femi has to say, but what do you have to say? Conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. Let me know what your thoughts is around this. But before you come share those thoughts with me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come share your opinion with me in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you there, but here I say peace.